Hello everyone, Kayla here, and I actually came out to take pictures, but then I was like, well, since I'm standing out here with the camera anyway, I might as well go ahead and film the intro to this video or whatever. So I am currently in the process of planning to go out of town for a full week. I'm going to Hawaii for Thanksgiving. My mom and her friend want to go, and they were like, you want to go? And I was like, yes. I've never been to Hawaii, so typically when I go somewhere for a full week, I would wear a wash and go because it's a hairstyle that I know guaranteed is going to last throughout whatever climate that they got going on. But I know that, going to Hawaii involves water. There's going to be some type of something in which my hair would probably get ruined or impacted or whatever. So I decided to come up with a couple of backup hairstyles so that I could make sure that I'm prepared for anything. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I'm packing and what hairstyles I intend to do, and kind of like my whole, methodology behind it. But I will just briefly say that I am traveling with people that are either have relaxed hair or can't swim, or have relaxed hair and can't swim. So the water may happen, but it will probably take a while. So that's why I'm willing to risk ruining wash and go, because I know that I'm going to at least get a couple days out of it before these folks decide they want to get in the water. Just be real. Like, your girl, I can swim actually extremely well. Used to be obsessed with mermaids. The whole like closed leg swimming like a mermaid. I can do that. All of it. I love to swim. So yeah, let's get into the backups that I have that I'm packing in my bag.
So my first styling option is to just straight up redo my wash and go. Here is a picture of me wearing a wash and go, and for that I will need products. So you saw me there put the Coconut Restore Cream Conditioner Cleanser. I would use that instead of a shampoo because I will have washed my hair recently, and instead of bringing like a deep conditioner and all that, I don't have time for that. So I'm just going to use the cream conditioner to reset my hair, to tangle it and all that kind of stuff. Now, of course, I never like to check a bag, so I am going to put it into the TSA approved travel containers. These are like the 1 75/100 of an ounce. So I'm going to actually fill up more than one of these so that I can get away with having enough product, because I do have very thick, very long hair. Also, for a wash and go, I will need hair gel, of course. I'm not going to apply any leave-in or anything under it because it decreases the amount of products that I'm taking with me. Now, y'all know I have long and thick hair, as I just said, and I use quite a bit of product. So I'm going to be using not 1, not 2, but 3 of these little containers. That's roughly about half of this bottle, which is a brand new bottle of gel that I'll be squeezing into here. Another styling option is this twisted updo. For that, I will just need 2 bobby pins and a claw clip, and that's it. For this final style option, I will be using the clip and the 2 bobby pins, but I will also need a ponytail holder. I'm going to loop the ponytail holder through the bobby pin so I can use it like one of those bungee ponytail holders, and then I'm going to secure my hair into a bun with a claw clip. It's actually my favorite bun to do. I'm pretty confident that between these products and these accessories, I should be able to create whatever hairstyle and be ready for any situation.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for other videos. Of course, I'm always open to requests, so drop them down below if you would like to see certain things on my channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and drop a comment on your way out. and I look forward to talking to you guys in the next one.